Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I have a new topic about afternoon nausea. What are the most common causes of afternoon nausea? There are many reasons for afternoon nausea including caffeine use, lack of sleep or an illness. One of the most common causes of afternoon nausea in women is pregnancy. Nausea is body ways of suppressing the appetite because something is wrong, usually either in the digestive tract, blood sugar levels, or the balance center in the inner ear. Balance center issues may include infection in the ear or simple motion sickness. Despite its name, morning sickness during pregnancy does not only occur in the morning. Afternoon nausea is quite often associated with pregnancy, especially in the early stages. If nausea in the afternoon or evening is a fairly new occurrence and there is the possibility a woman may be pregnant, she may wish to see a doctor. Common treatments for this cause of nausea include home remedies such as chamomile or peppermint tea, hard candies to suck on, or simply lying down. Nausea which is severe and persistent during pregnancy may need to be treated by a change in diet or even medication which a doctor has prescribed or deemed safe. A low calorie intake or high sugar diet can cause nausea partway through the day, especially in the person who is more active. Blood sugar levels may become imbalanced throughout the day, especially in those with diabetes. Some proven ways to treat nausea due to diet issues include eating a small amount of bland and starchy food during drinking water or even taking licorice herb or fiber capsules. Other factors such as stress, lack of sleep, and anxiety may cause afternoon nausea. A brain without enough rest may become more susceptible to internal and external changes, causing symptoms like nausea, irritability, or even hallucinations. Just as a brain with undue stress or anxiety may be less able to process and function properly, a tired brain may develop these same problems. In the case of motion sickness, the balance center within the inner ear becomes confused by the signals it is receiving. For example, when reading in a car, a person's eyes may be steady in the book, but the fluid in his ears is moving with the car. This type of mismatch in the senses stresses his brain, his stomach muscles may begin to quiver and nausea sets in. There are some motion sickness medication that are available with or without prescription which can prevent this nausea. If this occurs unexpectedly, treatment may require that the movement stop if necessary or that the sufferer drink plenty of cold water. Persistent afternoon nausea may also be a sign or more serious problems such as ulcer, gallstones or colitis. If a person is experiencing persistent nausea associated with other symptoms like pain, it is generally recommended that they seek professional treatment. In the most serious cases, nausea may be a sign of prolonged high blood pressure or a heart attack. Nausea with tightness in the chest, pain in the upper arms, or unexplained sweating may be life-threatening and warrants an immediate visit to a doctor. So friends, hope you all have enjoyed the session. From this topic, we all came to know mostly about afternoon nausea. I will be again here with different interesting topics. Thank you.